So as I started using the S10e more and more, I've discovered some awesome features that are pretty much exclusive to the S10 lineup and Galaxy devices in general. These features are pretty neat and we wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get started. First, we have the Bixby button. Now, you're probably wondering, how in God's name is this an awesome feature? Well, hold on there, hear me out. The Bixby button seems like it's here to stay, but Samsung somewhat appeased the crowd by allowing us to finally change what happens when we press the button. Well, sort of. So before you were given one option, press the button and Bixby appears. However, with a recent update, now you have a choice of quickly loading an app with a single press and Bixby with a double press. Now, at the time of filming this video, there are some caveats. First, you can't disable Bixby completely. You can set it to appear on a single press and your custom app on a double press, or vice versa. Second, you cannot bring up the Google Voice Assistant. Only the Google app and a handful of other apps. Sammy just won't let this one go. To configure this feature, you need the latest version of Bixby Home from the Galaxy App Store. Once you've updated, go into your settings, then to advanced features and Bixby key. Keep in mind that the Bixby key option will not appear if you haven't updated Bixby Home. Now, this is not an exclusive feature to the S10e. I've owned a handful of devices which have this, such as the Pixel 2 XL, but the placement of the fingerprint scanner allows this to feel a bit more natural. You can enable this feature by going into Settings, Advanced Features, Motion and Gestures, and enabling finger swipe gestures. There are a ton of other motions and gestures that are available, which brings me to our third feature. Swiping the screen to screenshot is a pretty old feature on most Samsung devices, but it's great to see them still have it after all these years. It's a quick and easy way to screenshot by sliding your palm across the screen. Once you've enabled palm swipe to capture, you can start screenshotting. It seems to be far more reliable than previous iterations that I've tried. PowerShare isn't a new feature, and it has been popping up on a slew of other phones recently, but it's awesome to see that Samsung is including this on every phone in the S10 lineup, including the cheapest S10e. And don't get me wrong, I'm not excited about this feature so that I can charge someone else's device at my expense. No, I'm excited about this feature because now I can charge my own accessories wirelessly if they're about to die. For example, the Galaxy Buds support wireless charging, and now all I need to do is place it on my phone and let it take care of the rest. I wish I could place it on my phone face up, just because it seems a bit more intuitive, but maybe that'll come in the next iteration. Okay, this is one of my favorite features, and it's only exclusive to Samsung devices. I always wanted the ability to have multiple accounts in the same app, especially for messaging apps like WhatsApp and Snapchat. But the only way I could ever do that on Android is by creating separate profiles. With this new S10e, I can actually have my cake and eat it too. The dual messaging feature supports a slew of messaging apps, including WhatsApp and Snapchat. In order to enable it, hop on over to your settings, Advanced Features, Dual Messenger. From here, you can choose which apps you want to enable this function for. From that point on, you'll have two different icons, one indicating it's a dual messenger version, and all you have to do is log in with your other account. Easy as that. Now, the last feature is a software one, and it's not new, but it's definitely a differentiating one for those of you who want to know the benefits of owning a Galaxy device. I believe this feature is in previous Galaxy phones, but it's convenient enough to mention for those looking to join the Samsung party. Holding your palm to take a selfie allows you to keep that one hand free so you don't have to fumble around for the shutter button. All you need to do is enable the feature in the camera settings and hold up your palm to start the countdown. It's definitely an intuitive feature and one I wouldn't actually call a gimmick. I find this very useful. So those are our top 6, guys. What are yours? Is there something you'd like to share with our community to help elevate their Galaxy experience? Let us know in the comments down below. We got the full review coming on the Galaxy S10e as well as the Galaxy Buds, so make sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss out on that. It's been a pleasure, guys. Like always, I'm Jared the TechVenger. Don't forget, when it comes to tech, the TechVengers are there. We got your back.